Hello everyone, welcome to INMA. In the previous few classes, like just the last class, we had done reflection of class 10, both ICSE and CBSE. Today we have come up with section formula, which is also both of ICSE and CBSE. And I will be beginning, basically there are three formulas on it. One is the basic formula, the other one is the derived. From the basic formula it is derived. And the third one is the centroid. The centroid is not much important, but the first formula is very important as well as the second formula. So let's begin with it. The first formula is for finding the point between a line. For example, the line is C A and somewhere this is the point Z, and the line is cut in the ratio m1 is to m2. Now you may keep anything such as a, b, m1 is to 2, but m1 is to m2 is preferred because it has a reason I will tell you. Now the coordinates of this can be found, which shall be x comma y. This will be found by the formula, which x comma y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2 plus, I will continue here, m1 into y2 plus m1 into y m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2 Now we keep m1 and m2 as the variables for the ratio because it is easy for us, like 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. There should never be the same subscripts together during multiplication. Therefore that is easy. For example, first number keep it for x only, second number keep it for y only. Now m1 into x2 means the subscript of 1. M should not match with the subscript of x if you keep it in this format, and m2 into x1 same not matching, so is for y. For we have taken that the value of a was x1 comma y1 and b was x2 comma y2. I mean these are the coordinates of the points between which this point lies, and this is the formula to find this point. Now from this formula only another formula which is known as the midpoint formula is found out, in which the ratio between them, midpoint means dividing into equal halves, means a, b, x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the midpoint. Therefore m1 and m2 should be equal to 1 is to 1. Therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1. So if we apply m1 and m2 as 1 and 1, it will be x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Therefore the formula for midpoint is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. Now these are the two basic formulas. Another formula is of the centroid. I will not be discussing that in this part. In this part we will be discussing basically on these two formulas. Now we get to find out many number of points in a line, given line. These are all for a straight line, and for that we will be given to find many points, like 4 points or 3 points. Now for odd number of points we have to use this formula once and then this formula once, and for even number of points we might not use this formula, but we might use only this formula. For example, if we need to find out 4 points by 3 midpoint formulas, which means this one, we can find it out. Like the first midpoint between the original points, the middle one will be found. Now between the middle one and the first one, and the middle one and the last one, we will find the other 2 midpoints. Now we will continue to the sums on these. They will be starting from find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 4 minus 4 comma 3 and B 2 comma minus 1. A minus 4 comma 3 and B 2 comma minus 1. And we have to find the point of trisection. That means there will be 2 points. For trisection, it means that it will be divided into 3 parts. This is one part, this is one part, and this is one part. For this first part, this is 1, and this whole comes together as 2. Therefore, the ratio becomes 1:2. For this part, by that only, we will find this number first. This is m1 and this is m2. Now we apply the formula over here: x1, y1, x2, y2. Now the formula will be x comma y is equal to, for point Q, this will be my 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. Now continue 1 comma 1 into minus 1, I mean 1 into 3, wait a minute, 1 into minus 4, that will be 2 here, it will be 1 here, 2 and 1. Now here, so I think 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 plus 2. Now this will simplify to minus 8 plus 2 by 3 comma 2, which means 6 minus 1, 5 by 2, 5 by 3. Yes. Now it will be further simplified to, yes, and it is minus 6 by 3 comma 5 by 3 is equal to minus 2 comma 5 by 3. So this was the answer for this question. Now we have find the first trisection point. Now we need to find the second trisection point. In here, the line was divided into 3 parts, trisection. Therefore, there would be one ratio formula and one midpoint formula. Now we will use this and the last point to find the second trisection point by the midpoint formula. Now that would be was 5 by 3. Now it is let it be P. P is equal to minus 2 plus, last point was this, 2 by 2 comma minus 5 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2, which will be 0, and 5 by 3 minus 1, which means 5 by 3 minus 3 by 3, which means 2 by 3 by 2 is equal to 0 comma 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. Yes, so this will be the second point of trisection. This was the one first and this was the second. Now this question is complete by these 2 points. Now we go to the second question. The second question is to find, the line is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this was A, this was B, E, Q, R. The coordinate of A was 4 comma minus 2 comma 2, and B was 2 comma 8. So we will continue with the midpoint formula first between P, A and B to find Q. Now minus 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 8. Now Q is equal to, by midpoint formula, minus 2 plus 2 by 1 and 1, minus 2 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 8 by 2. Y and Y is equal to 0 by 2 comma 10 by 2, which will be equal to 0 comma 5. Now Q is found out. Now we have this. Now we can find this P by midpoint formula. Now that will be found out by P is equal to, between A and Q midpoint formula, that would be A is minus 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 1, which will be minus 2 by 2, that will be simplified to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Now this was the finding out Q, P. Now we will find out R with the same formula, Q and B midpoint. That would be R is equal to zero, that is 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 8 plus 5 by 2. Now it is 1, 2 by 2, 1, and 8 plus 5, 13 by 2. Now these were the 4 points. Yes, these were the 4 points. 3 points we need to find, because the line was divided into 4 points, 4 parts, which means 3 points are missing. We have found out by using midpoint formula 3 times. Now this is how we find points using midpoint formula and section the ratio formula. And I will be concluding this part today, and there will be further parts on this section formula topic on centroid and some more varieties on this for these 2 formulas. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and follow, and thank you.